In front of me is VIVO X300 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for remove pop-up to show. When it does, click on it and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. Quick tip: if you want to restore it, just hold your display, tap on Widgets at the bottom, and find the Google app. When you do, click on it, swipe to the left once, then a second time, and choose Add under search bar. Now you can hold it to place it wherever you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!